Create engaging YouTube content with AI tutorial apps. AI tutorial apps are software applications that use artificial intelligence algorithms to generate video clips and images for various purposes. These apps can help you create engaging content for YouTube and other online platforms, making it easier to monetize your content and earn money from your creations. Here are some examples of AI tutorial apps that can generate video clips and images for different money-making opportunities that can be used to automatically create YouTube content. 1. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a video creation platform that uses AI to automatically create videos from text. 2. You can input your YouTube script, and the platform will generate a video using stock footage, images, and music. 3. This tool is particularly useful for creating explainer videos, educational content, and promotional clips. 4. InVideo. InVideo is another AI-powered video editing tool that allows users to create high-quality videos in minutes. 5. The platform offers a range of templates, images, and music to help you create engaging content quickly. 6. You can use this app to create tutorials, product reviews, and promotional videos for your YouTube channel. 7. Canva. Canva is a popular graphic design tool that offers a range of templates, images, and graphics that you can use to create high-quality visuals for your YouTube channel. 8. You can use Canva to create thumbnails, channel art, and other promotional images to help your channel stand out. 9. Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is an all-in-one content creation platform that offers tools for creating videos, images, and web pages. 10. The platform uses AI to suggest design elements and layouts based on your preferences, making it easier to create professional-looking content quickly. 11. Animaker. Animaker is an animation software that allows users to create animated videos using a range of pre-built templates and characters. 12. You can use this app to create educational videos, explainer videos, and promotional clips for your YouTube channel. Overall, AI tutorial apps can be a great tool for creating high-quality content for YouTube and other online platforms. These apps can help you save time and effort while ensuring that your content is engaging and visually appealing. Create engaging YouTube content with AI tutorial apps. AI tutorial apps are software applications that use artificial intelligence